Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night whenever you're seeing this video. In this video, I'm super excited to show you my new Epic water filter. Thank you, Epic Water Filter Company, for sending me this. I am super excited to show it to you guys. Are you guys tired of bottled water, buying bottled waters each and every week? I know I am. I buy 35 bottles a week and I go through water like it's going out of style. Today, I am so done with bottled waters. And I know you are too. All right, so right now I am about to unbox the pitcher itself. As you can see, I got the box right here. I had a little delay at my local post office. This thing was supposed to be delivered last Tuesday. My post office, I have a PO box, and they could not find it. And because this box and this unit only weighs 3 pounds, folks, only 3 pounds, they kept assuming it was a small package. It said it was delivered to my PO box. I kept checking, could not find it at all. Literally, I went there 3 times. I was about to give up and make a claim on it, but I went tonight. The manager got involved. I was there 30 minutes. They looked all around the post office and they finally found the pitcher. So without further ado, let me grab my knife out of my odds and ends drawer right here. And we are about to open up this thing and see what it's all about. The Epic water filter is very high quality. I've read a lot of reviews. I looked at a lot of videos. Basically, you pour your tap water into it. The filters filter out fluoride, all kind of contaminants. I'm going to be using this thing more and more often. Like I said earlier, I'm so tired of bottled waters because I go through so many of them, and I wanted to find a way to go another direction. Let me put this knife away. And so nice packaging. Like I said, it's only 3 pounds, which is really light. It gets you up to 10 cups. It's a 150-gallon filter, it says. It's Triton BPA free, removes fluoride. That's something else that you all need to look into, is reducing your fluoride intake. Just read up on it. There's not much you really can do about it. Fluoride's everywhere, but the Epic water filter filters out the fluoride out of your drinking water. That's very important. Also, I've gone as far as getting fluoride-free toothpaste from Tom's. So just look into that stuff. Health is wealth, remember that. And without further ado, let's hop into this review. So it says each filter replaces 1,000 plastic bottled waters or water bottles. That's awesome. Proprietary anti-fluoride technology eliminates 99% of contaminants. So let's go ahead and open it up, and we're gonna, I'm ready to get a sip of water. I got my glass right here. I had another bottled water. I took the labels off of the company that my bottled waters were coming from. I don't want any problems with that. And let's do it. Let's test drive it. Very solid packaging. Let's see what we got here. Epic water filters, water filtration, pitcher and dispenser. Set up and usage guide. So it's got good instructions here. Lets you know everything you need to know about the water filter. And yeah, so I'm excited. Okay, that's cool. Got all your instructions here. Let you know all the different things that it filters out. That's cool. And without further ado, let's go ahead and pull out the actual water filter itself. The unboxing, the cool part. I love doing this. So once again, high quality materials everywhere. Good box if you like boxes. So here you go. Man, they did a great job with all of the plastics protecting it during transport. This is really cool. So there we go. Give me 1 second. I'm going to read over the instructions a little bit more, make sure I'm doing this the right way, especially for the first time I'm using this. And I'll be right back with you. I'm gonna explain what I learned, my research, and we'll go from there. Y'all hang tight. All right, crew, had to run and do something else real quick. So according to the instructions, the first thing that you want to do is unscrew the filter itself, just like that. It's pretty easy. All right, just check the gasket in here so it prevent any leaks. Like I said, you want to disregard the first 2 times that you use it to make sure all the charcoal and all that stuff that's in the filter, brand new, doesn't get into your drinking water. So I'm gonna wash it real quick. Nothing special. Just use a little hot water. Wash this bad boy up. Make sure everything is clean. I'm not gonna use any soap this go around, because I want to be able to taste the water and make sure everything's good once I get it going. So that's that. I'm gonna take a little extra time just to dry the area where the filter will screw back in. So let me do that real quick. Just want everything to match back up perfectly, and we'll go from there. All right, that's good. Always got to clean my sink area back up. Boom, boom, boom. Throw all of this extra odds and ends stuff away. The plastics. Got the box. Might keep that for something else. All right, so we're going to screw the filter back on. The gasket was okay. Make sure that's good and tight. You don't want to wash the actual charcoal filter itself. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put it back together. So what you're looking for, like I said, again, that arrow's in there, you want that to go towards the spout area. I did read some reviews where people were saying that everything didn't line back up. I didn't have an issue with it. I haven't had an issue with it. Everything fits back perfectly. Go open up the flap here, get you some cold water running. We'll fill this up. I'm gonna let it drain down 2 times, and just to make sure, like I said, all the charcoal stuff doesn't get into the actual drinking water, because it is brand new. Filled up. Fill it right to the top. And y'all hang tight. I'm gonna let this drain down. As you can see, it's doing it right now as we speak. I don't know if y'all can see it draining down, but it's doing its thing. And yeah, let me see. I'm gonna lift it up so y'all can see it. See the water dripping down. So it's officially working. I'm gonna let that do its thing. I'll be right back with y'all, okay? Thank y'all for watching. I do have a promo code if y'all want to use it to get 15% off your first order. It's JRideReviews. So JRideReviews, JRideReviews 15. And that promo code, when you go to order yours, 15% off your first order. So I'll have that down in the description wherever you see this on social media, YouTube, wherever I put it. and we'll go from there. Let this water drain down. I'm gonna do it one time, and then I'm gonna come back again and do it again, okay? Y'all hang tight. And it's high quality. It's got a nice wooden handle on it. It's very nice weight. Like I said, 3 pounds is what the post office said it was as far as the label. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up top here. Another thing they were saying about if you're having problems with it fitting down in here properly, what you need to do is take it out. You can rotate it, but there's an arrow right inside of the filter housing up here on the top. The flat side needs to go where the spout is. So you just fit that in there. Once we get the water situated, I'm gonna pull this sticker back here. Matter of fact, let me do that now. And you can set the timer for different times. It says to set it for 90 days on average. Let me look at this one more time for you guys. This is a very, very good instructional manual that came with the filter. So the filter life, one person, they're estimating it should, which is me, just me for now, 4 to 5 months it should last. 2 people, 3 to 4 months. A family, 2 to 3 months. So that's pretty cool. That's a great shelf life. That'll save me a bunch of money on the bottled waters that I was buying. So like I said, I'm super excited about that. Let's go ahead and fill this thing up and go from there. I'll put it right here. It says cold tap water. So I'm gonna let the water run a little bit. In my area, it's city water, so they do a decent job of making sure our drinking water is what it is. So let me do this. Fill it up. And I'm gonna let the filter do its thing. I'll be right back with y'all. All right, crew, just letting y'all know we are starting the second round of filtering which is recommended by the manufacturers before you drink your first cups of water. I already did it one time. This is the second time. And then the moment we've all been waiting for, I'm gonna do a water taste test. Say that 3 times fast. Water taste test, water taste test, water taste test. Y'all hang tight. All right, crew, so let's go and taste the water after it's been filtered by the Epic Water Filters water filtration pitcher. Let's do it. Here we go. Cheers. That's good. Like I said, there's a promo code down in the description wherever you see this on social media for an affiliate link. The promo code is JRideReviews 15 for 15% off your first purchase. I don't think you'll be disappointed. High quality materials, high quality product. Thank y'all for watching.